side. Lights up the day, keep your heart satisfied. Slymo's world, where the good vibes reside. Click that button, let the good times flow.
Hello, roosters. Pretty boy. G'day champions, Slymo here. It's going off. Thompson River, Longreach. Just did a bit of a row, did a bit of a race, 6 kilometres. I've got a hold on a man. Up that way. Up the Thompson River, 3 kilometres up, turn around, come back. I'm a bit tired, it was hard work. We didn't win, but we did go off. That's what we did, right off. So that's the Thompson River. I'm standing on a bridge, and Apex Park over there is where we put the boats in the water. No boats there at the moment. There's a fleet of boats going up racing for another round. Anyway, bit of a slap-up lunch in the park. Bit of a tour at the Cornice Museum tonight. And home tomorrow on not a big jet airplane, a little propeller plane. Looking forward to that. See you later. Reprobates. Off to the Qantas Museum, Founders Museum, something like that. Gonna go and have some drinks and dinner under the planes. I reckon that's gonna go off. What's all going off here, Slimies? Got a helicopter taking off over there. Look at it. Catalina. You can see a 747 any day, but you don't see these every day. Catalina flying boat. Just fantastic. What an ugly thing, but spectacular. Oh well, Slimies, the adventure continues, but not for long. Just checked out at the beautiful Albert Park Motel. It's fine. Nothing special, but it's fine. Very convenient. Just had coffee with a guy I went to school with. Haven't seen him in 40 years. He works at the Qantas Museum, Qantas Founders Museum, which is where I'm going now. I'm going to go and take my bags, drop them off there and spend a couple of hours having a look through there on my way to the airport, which is just there. See you soon. So, as you know, I do quite like a walking video. I thought I'd give you a bit of another walking video. So this trip has been really good. I row with a rowing club in Brisbane, the Vikings Rowing Club, and some of the members have organised this outback rowing thing. And it's a really interesting concept. It's about bringing fitness and health and well-being out to the bush. One of our founders is a doctor. I think he comes from out this way. He likes to tell us that the further you live from the coastline in Queensland, the lower your expected life expectancy. unexpected life expectancy, anyway. And it's an idea to bring something for people to do that's good for them out to the bush. Hey, champions, Slymo's world. Slymo's going off again. Thanks for watching this last video. I kind of enjoyed making that one. It was a bit of a quick and dirty one, but look where we are now. About as far as you can get from Longreach in central Queensland. But you're going to have to watch the next video to find out where I am. It's pretty cool. Look at this building. It's totally going off. It's going so off. You wouldn't believe it. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you next time. Going all